Stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get one of the best drone racing sims out there, which is normally $25 or $35 for 100% off.
It's free real estate.
G'day you absolute legends, Stu from UAV Futures here, and today it's a bit of a special video and it is time sensitive. So if you're watching this, please check the date because this deal is not going to last forever, and I would just want to put a full disclosure out there straight away. I have nothing to do with either of the companies I'm about to talk about, but it is a great way for you to get one of the best sims out there to practice your FPV skills for 100% free, no strings attached. So what am I talking about? Currently, if you check it out, and this could be expired by the time you're watching this video if it's more than a week old, but the Drone Racing League Simulator, DRL, you might have seen it on ESPN or some of the sports channels over in the US, they have a simulator and it's not bad. Sims are a great way to improve your skills, get better at freestyle, get better at racing, hitting tighter gaps, all that sort of stuff. It's really easy to set up to your control. But currently on the Epic Games Store, which is linked down below, all you need to do is make an account there and then you can claim your free game. And that free game this week is DRL, the simulator. So please go ahead and do that. At the end of this video, you're going to see me flying around with some of my friends, jumping in, having a great time. It's really easy. All you need to do, it can hook up to your radio as well. So let's grab, what do we got? So this is where it's absolutely essential, I think. If you're going to be playing around one of the sims, grab one of your drone radios, connect it by USB, and there's going to be a way where you can fly around on the computer with your drone right there using your controller. So you don't need an Xbox controller or anything like that. The best way to use this sim is with your own controller that you fly every day. And trust me, if you put in 20 minutes a day for say even a week, you're going to be becoming an expert pilot in no time. So I can hear one of the chickens out there and the other dog chasing it around. Hey, Pepper! Hey! Excuse me, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I've got the neighbour's dog over here because they're away for a few days, so I'm looking after it, but it seems a bit fascinated with Henny Penny right here. Anyway, as I was talking about the DRL sim, it's absolutely free. You can connect your radio to it. Hey, go away, dog. And just all around, just go and get it. If you don't have a sim, please go and get this. It's going to help your freestyle racing skills, whatever you need to do. And if you are new to the hobby, it is a great way to jump in. However, I will say, if you're using a standard Xbox controller or something like that, it really doesn't feel the same. So I've tried it and it's just nowhere near as good as if you're using your actual radio. So anyway, a short little sharp, quick video out there. It is time sensitive. Go and download it. I'm going to be jumping on, showing you some footage after this if you're interested. Flying around with my friends as multiplayer, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content. I got to go take care of this farm life stuff. And as always, happy flying. And drop me a link down below too. Hey, get out of it. Drop me a link down below. Let me know what you think. Do you have this sim? Are there some other good sims out there? And I'll also put the Discord link. So there you go. Anyway, on that, happy flying. Dogs and chickens, hey? Poor Henny Penny. You got some paint on you. Pepper, go away. Alrighty, super easy to set up. I got my Tango connected, Tango 2. Controller set up. Quick calibration. Let's click calibrate, center your sticks and click start to calibrate. Alright, keep sticks centered. Okay, I can do that. Rotate sticks. Oh wait, am I meant to go the way they're going? Throttle stick up. Your stick right. Pitch stick up. Roll stick right. Toggle to restart race. Let's go this one. Toggle for the drone reset switch. Alrighty, so that's all done. The drone's corresponding to this. Let's have some fun. I'm going to buzz one of my friends, jump in. Let's do a multiplayer race. See if this works. Yo, 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 Raven. What's cracking, man?
Yo, UAV Futures.
Are you ready to have a race? Do you want to play some DRL sim? I know you've got it installed.
Yeah, let's do it. I've got my, this is the first time I played DRL actually. I've been in, FPV almost 5 years and just never touched it. So.
Yeah, it's not bad for free, man. Well, it's actually really good for free.
It's really good. Yeah, it's awesome. I think it's, usually only $15.
Yeah, I thought it was 25. Yeah, it used to be a bit more, I thought. I'm just going to see if I can invite you to multiplayer.
Get my radio going.
Yep, I'm going to set up a room here.
Close down Chrome. And
Let's.
Oh, it's epic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got yours, but I also.
Oh, you got mine?
You had futures.
Raven
someone
8.
else?
Yeah, I can see you. That's fine. That's
Yeah.
all we need. That'll do. So we got this random, well done, poor petit and.
Some other person. Yep.
Okay, so you just click it and you just invite whoever. That's kind of cool. You can just start something. All right, let's just have some fun. Let's wait.
834 per Pete.
For Pete. All right, he's in my video. Let's look at his
Really?
drone. Yeah, I'm gonna click start.
Yeah,
All
mine's
right.
just about, I haven't done. The cool thing with DRL is you can customize your drones and like actually build, with real parts from real life. Which is quite cool. Mine's just the stock.
Yeah, mine's a stock. I wanna.
I literally
Oh, look at
just
that one.
installed it today, so.
Yeah, I installed it about 20 minutes ago. I've played it in the past though.
Oh yeah. Because you can play this on.
Oh, I'm in the lead. Oh no,
Xbox.
I'm not. That guy's smashing me.
Where the hell would we? Oh, it's up here.
Oh. Where are we going here? I like this trail that you can follow. This nice,
It
easy
makes it
line.
easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. The hardest part about racing for me was always remembering where to go. Like, in real life, it's so hard. Remembering the
Okay, so I'm just on full throttle now the whole time.
Oh no, I missed the air gate. Is that right?
These gates are like the size of a 2-story building.
Yeah.
How many laps is this? 3. I'm not going to catch this whatever his name is.
Nah, he's hoofing it. I might have a chance if I can hook this gate pretty well.
Oh, I'm first. Yeah, baby.
Maybe he crashed out. Or maybe you overtook us or...
Oh, I've got to go here? Okay. Woo! Look at that. You were the futures. He's still got it.
Oh, number 1. Yeah, I thought I was going to smash him, mate. I did a little warm-up race.
Yeah, there we go. Ta-ting, unlock some things. So anyway, I'm going to keep playing with Raven, but this is basically what it's like. You can adjust your sim, your rates, your drone. What else can you do in here? Do freestyle. I think there's like a search and destroy or something. I don't know. Just have some fun. But the best bit is you can practice and learn some skills. So if you're new to the hobby, definitely jump on this. And if you don't have a sim or you don't have this in your, what would you call it, in your library, get it because it's free for the next 6 days or something like that. Definitely worth it. You can't.
It's the right price. You can't argue with free.
Yeah, there's no such thing as a free lunch unless you're DRL and you're into drones. All right, too easy. Other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content. I'm going to keep playing some games with Raven, and as always, happy flying. Feeling here.
Yeah. What the heck?
Whoa! I'm upside down. How do I
What
flip?
have you done to us with this track? It's like a tiny work track.
What's my toggle switch? There we go.
Oh my. Oh, my sensitivity. I need to... Oh, I'm stuck in a thing.
Do I go through here? No.
Dang.
Well, at least I think this track's a bit more fun. Oh, except I'm upside down. Oh, somehow I saved that.
I can't get
I don't have enough sensitivity.
Do you have to go up through this or?
Oh, okay, yes, you do, because I've been...
Yeah,
I was trying to go down. Wow.
This track. That is so bad.
This would have been good for a 3-inch.
Yeah, this is. Oh. Yeah. Looks like I've got my things really up now for freestyle. You go slow and steady here.
Oh, did I almost run into you?
I'm not sure. I think it's pretty close. Oh, that gate over the car is hard.
Jeez Louise. Where, I'm in the office? I've got to beat you, come on.
You're definitely going to.
Oh no, you were in front of me. We're neck and neck.
I don't know where to go.
Do you have a race? You're. Oh, jeez, it's close.
Ah. Oh no. I'm doing pretty well there for a second.
Yes, I was. Oh no.
So touchy.
Oh, third time on this stupid gate.
Yay.
Get out of it. You jerk.
Oh yes. That was my first one. That's so bad. Wow. Crashed
Oh.
about 7,000.
I had the reset switch. Did you have that?
Yeah,
Yeah, that was definitely helping.
I needed that for sure. That was so hard.
I didn't mind that track. I just didn't like the drone for that track. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's true. A 5-inch on that track, like a 7-inch on that track. Because you know how they're slower. The DRL.
I reckon just something really little, like a 3-inch.
Yeah. So I think this is a proper DRL track, isn't it? Or is this like
It looked like it, didn't
made-up
it?
one?
I don't know. Seems like the sort of thing that race in a warehouse. I don't know about all the smashed cars around. I don't know what the benefit is of that.
Bando.
What are we doing here? Do I just click next? Okay, I'm
I
gonna
guess,
go. I'm gonna go exit. What do you, I'm gonna do another invite.